Hi, I'm Bruce from Washington State, and this is my GenStone project. It's my home office. I've been working from home for about 8 years. While functional, my office space doesn't really feel like a comfortable space in the off hours. I wanted to make it feel a little bit like I was outside by adding an electric fireplace and stone to the lower wall. While researching how to do it, I came across GenStone. GenStone was going to be a lot easier to install than sheets of real stone. Easy install? I'm sold. My GenStone project coordinator helped me with the supplies I needed and pointed me to the installation videos and directions. The install was easy peasy and came out great. I was worried about how well the product would hold up, so I put my feet up on it while leaning back in my chair. Don't tell the wife. So far, so good. The product has held up great. As a matter of fact, I'm now redoing our failed fireplace outside chimney stone with GenStone. That'll be the next video.